Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is derivation of quadratic formula by completing square method. In this topic we not only learn how to derive quadratic formula but also we learn the basic steps of completing square method to solve a quadratic equation. So let's do the derivation of quadratic formula. For this we write the quadratic equation in standard form. The quadratic equation in standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In the first step of derivation, we divide each term by the quadratic coefficient a over ax square plus b over ax plus c over a is equal to 0. A is cancelled by a, we got x square plus b over ax plus c over a is equal to 0. In the second step, we take constant term c over a to right hand side. By doing this, we get x square plus b over a x is equal to minus c over a. In the third step, multiplying and dividing the linear coefficient by 2. In this we get x square plus 2 divided by 2 multiply b over ax is equal to minus c over a. Why we multiply and divide the linear coefficient by 2? As we know that if we have expression in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square, so then these the two expressions will be in a perfect square like that, as we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b, so that is a perfect square. And similarly a square minus 2ab plus b square is also a perfect square. So it means we have to have expressions like these. For this we already get the first term x square in that form, but the second term is not the two-time product like that, two-time product of a and b. So it means we have to make it two-time product. Hence we need 2 over there. If we multiply 2, so according to mathematics rule we have to follow the condition of equation, so we have to divide it by 2 as well. So that is the reason why we multiply and divide it by 2. Let's rearrange these values. We get x square plus 2 into the first value x, and how we get the second value? The rest of the value b over 2a will be second term value of the perfect square, b over 2a, that is equal to minus c over a. In fourth step, we add square of the second value, b over 2a whole square in both sides. By doing this, we get x square plus 2 into x into b over 2a plus b over 2a whole square is equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a whole square. In the fifth step, applying formula on left hand side, and that formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. According to this formula, we get x plus b over 2a on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have minus c over a plus b square over 4a square. For simplification, we take LCM on the right hand side. Product with the common and non-common factor mean that is LCM is 4a square for these two terms. When 4a square is divided by a, we have 4a, and that is multiplied to c becomes minus 4ac. 4a square divided by 4a square, we have 1, that is multiplied to b square, we have b square. By the standard procedure, we have the positive term first, so we write as b square minus 4ac over 4a square. X plus b over 2a whole square we carry in that step. In step number 6, we take square root of both sides. X plus b over 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac over 4a square. As we take square root of both sides, square is cancelled by square root, and we have x plus b over 2a, and on the right hand side plus minus, as this is the difference of the two terms in numerator, so therefore it remains in square root b square minus 4ac, and the square root of 4 is 2 and square root of a square is a. Taking b over 2a to the right hand side, we get x is equal to minus b over 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. As the denominators are same, so it is very easy to take their LCM because numerators are written as they are. 2a minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. Hence, we find the solution and we derive this formula. As a is present in denominator, so we should keep in mind a should not be equal to 0, and if a is 0, so that becomes undefined. Hence, this is quadratic formula. These all steps will lead you towards how to solve a quadratic equation by completing square method. So not only you learn derivation of quadratic formula, but also you learn the basic steps of completing square method in today's lecture. Thank you.